basic knowledge of anatomy and physiology assists barbers in analyzing and performing professional services. The study of an organism's shape, structure, and the relationship of one body part to another is known as anatomy. The study of an organism's observable structures as seen with the naked eye is gross anatomy. The study of an organism's minute structures, such as tissues and organs, is called histology. The study of an organism's functions, activities, and coordination of each body part is known as physiology. The basic units of the structure and function of all living things are cells. Cells contain a colorless, jelly-like substance called protoplasm. Food material for cellular growth and self-repair are found in the cytoplasm. The nucleus of the cell controls its activity and facilitates cell division. Cells of the human body reproduce through indirect division. A series of changes occurs in the nucleus of a human cell before it divides into two cells. Metabolism consists of two phases, anabolism and catabolism. Body cells absorb water, food, and oxygen during anabolism. The energy needed for muscular effort is released during catabolism. Groups of cells that are similar in shape, size, structure, and function are tissues. Organs generally consist of two or more different tissues. The sphenoid bone joins together all the bones of the cranium. The nasal bone forms the bridge of the nose. The zygomatic or malar bones form the cheeks. Maxillae are bones that form the upper jaw. The mandible bones form the lower jaw. The technical name for the Adam's apple is the hyoid bone. The more fixed attachment of a muscle to the bone is called origin. The more movable attachment of a muscle to the bone is called insertion. Muscle tissue may be stimulated by massage, electric current, and heat and light rays, moist heat, nerve impulses, and chemicals. Muscles of the scalp include the epicranius, frontalis, occipitalis, and the aponeurosis.
Say it with your chest!
The muscle that produces vertical lines and causes frowning is the corrugator. The procerus is associated with the nose. The levator labii superioris, depressor labii inferioris, levitator anguli oris, and the buccinator are associated with the mouth. The orbicular oris, mentalis, and the zygomaticus relate to the eye. The main subdivisions of the nervous system are the cerebrospinal, peripheral, and the autonomic system. Nerves are long white cords made up of fibers from the nerve cells. The sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. The motor nerves carry nerve impulses from the brain to the muscles. Nerves originate in the brain and in the spinal cord. 12 pairs of cranial nerves branch out from the brain and reach parts of the head, face, and neck. The autonomic and sympathetic nervous system controls the involuntary muscles and functions. The fifth cranial nerve, also known as the trifacial or trigeminal nerve, is the chief sensory nerve of the face. The facial nerve that controls all the muscles used for facial expression is the seventh cranial nerve.